Next, you have to choose software selection. I can choose server with GUI. Click done. Wait, and it will take. Okay, then you have to choose installation. I can choose automatically configure partitioning and then begin installation, and I give root password for admin purpose. You have to give password, then done it. Next we have create user. I give something like in la, and no, I have to give some Oracle, and make sure that click on make this user administration button and give password for user. I have to give, and after that, after completion, you have to click done. Simple. What is password is wrong, I think. Sometimes it happens. Okay, one second, I type it. Okay, next it will take some time. Still wait. It still continue. Wait for at least 5 minutes. It it almost completed. Wait. Next next it performs post installation setup tasks. You have to wait still 10 minutes, I think. Okay, finally it's complete. Click reboot option. It opens like this. In Oracle Linux only. If you use another OS, no problem. Finally, it